mutual trust and mutual understanding. So we deeply appreciate this gesture on the part of Chinese leadership. And I had a very, very busy day today and back-to-back meetings, but most importantly, our meeting with President Xi and Premier Li were most friendly and productive, frank, and very useful.
What do you think are the major outcomes from your trip and really the significance of your trip in promoting China-Pakistan fraternity?
I think I'm returning back to Pakistan tonight, hugely strengthened and encouraged by massive support from Chinese leadership to work jointly for the good of the two peoples and promote CPAC and then promote B2B investments in Pakistan and also jointly deal with issues which relate to international considerations. And we have also agreed that China and Pakistan will enhance our consultative process to discuss geopolitical situation, to discuss how to bring progress and prosperity not only in Pakistan but in the region.
I want to talk about this iron brotherhood of China and Pakistan. You know this, Mr. Prime Minister, that in China we call you Bhatia, right?
Yeah, that's right.
You like that characterization?
I think it's, they call it Batai.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yeah, Bhatia.
That's iron brother. We are iron brothers because this friendship is unbreachable. Nobody can damage this friendship. Nobody can, find any space in this friendship. No matter what, we will remain friends. We have been friends and we'll be there forever.
Talking about global politics, this is so important. It seems that some countries are, defining China as an aggressive power and targeting China as the #1 national security threat, forming alliances trade-wise, military-wise, technology-wise against China to contain its rise. Do you think such fear of China, such containment measures are warranted?
If you look at the history, China has always been a very prosperous and rich country, but foreign entities. China has always been a very prosperous and rich country, but foreign entities who came here, they made it into a colony and looted and plundered its resources. But China had been bestowed upon by God Almighty infinite resources and energy. China has not shown in anybody's remotest imagination any germs of expansionism. To the contrary, China's philosophy, President Xi Jinping's philosophy, is about globalization, is about interaction, is about prosperity and progress. And the policy of those who believe in containment are sadly mistaken. They will never be able to contain China. China is a mighty power. The world cannot operate without China, and vice versa. And China believed in peaceful means. So, Chinese military prowess is not for aggression, it is for its defense. And rightly so, keeping in view the past history